In principle, the soldering game is by and large played through. However, sometimes there are really innovative new tools which make soldering so much easier. And the OmniFixo, which you see in the background here, is one of them. And in the following steps, we're going to look at it in some more detail. And here we've got the package as it was delivered. You see, jiffy envelope. I'm gonna be lazy, use a scissor to cut in. And here we already have the good. It's an OmniFixo, aka Maker's Third Hand. So here we are with the OmniFixo box. And we have here on the back a little video explaining, or rather a little picture explaining how to assemble it all. So let's try our luck. And here we get the actual plastic box. And now it's of course time to open it like so. Here there are magnets, so be careful when working with very sensitive electronics. So, how this thing works? It's actually amazingly simple. The first thing we've got here is the clamping snout. You see here, you push it, it opens, you let it go, it closes, and it can bite whatever you want it to bite. And then here at the bottom, we've got some kind of dual magnet thing, you see. And what you can do is you can stand it, for example, like so. And then, if you want to be really funny, you can also take their little plate and you can then put it like so. And so essentially you can mount the thing wherever you want to mount it. And this is what we're going to experiment with in the next step. As we mentioned before, you get a total of 4 of these things. Here you see 2 of them assembled and 2 of them in the storage position. And yes, they can be moved around freely as you see here. Going, going, going. And if they are on the base, basically they can do just about anything. If we remove them from the base, at some extreme level, they do topple over, but only at some extreme level. So if you are somewhat sane, they stand even without the magnetic base. So, and here we are in the laboratory. And the first question is, of course, can we attach it to sensitive PCBs? And the answer here is a resounding yes, because you see here, there is a sleeve around it. And then you can position it like so. The main idea here, of course, is that you do put it like this, for example, and then you can solder more comfortable at an angle. And alternatively, of course, you can take 2 of these guys, you see it here, like this. That makes it more rigid also. You see now it can hold the PCB in place, or you can put it down, or you can put something below, some blocking object. I mean, there is just a wide variety of things that you can do with these maker clamps. Another one that's just a perpetual classic would be tinning a wire. You see here I've got the wire in the air, so I could come in with the soldering iron and interact with the wire tip in a more comfortable fashion. And finally, we should also mention that the snout of these things is quite wide. As you see here, I'm having it hold a USB stick, which is almost 1 centimeter in girth. And with that, I thank you very much for your attention. I hope you find it useful. If you do, the link is below. And with that, I thank you once again for listening and see you next time.